Hi babies, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am so excited today because I'm gonna share with you an amazing DIY that I am in love with it, to be honest. I don't know you, but I have a lot of gray hairs, and I know maybe you're right there, have some that you don't like, and maybe in those events, in those parties, you don't want those babies to say, hey, hello, I'm here. So that's why I tried this DIY on mine, and you can see that it works amazing, and I love how easy and fast you can do it at home with natural ingredients. It's not that hard to do it, and it's super easy. Okay babies, so I'm not gonna talk too much, and we're just gonna start with this amazing DIY. Let's get started. Okay my loves, let's get started. You can see I have tons of those gray hairs, and honestly I don't like it. So first you have to put a lot of water in those places you have gray hairs, and we are gonna heat up water. We're gonna add our black tea, and we're gonna use 2 pills of charcoal, and we are gonna use the powder. Then add your favorite conditioner and put it on the container. I love to use the other container because it's so easy to use and it's so practical. And then you have to brush all the mix in your hair so it's gonna be even. Then you have to wait about 2 hours and wash it. You can dry it, you can do whatever you want, and voila, this is our result. Also, you can just like fix your hair a little bit, and this is the before and this is the after, and honestly I am in love with this DIY. So here we go. Okay, so that was super quick, by the way, and I love it. Like, you saw the before and after, and it's changed a lot. Obviously, you still can see some gray hairs right there, and it's like covering the 80% of my gray hairs. It's super important that you can do this DIY twice or thrice per week, and you can do it after your shampoo, and then you can like put your conditioner and everything for an hour or something, or for like 20 minutes. And if you are doing it like super often every single week, so you don't have to wait for a long time. So that's the cool thing. And also it is so important to let you know that my hair is super thin, so I think the mix like worked really good because like it covers like the 80%, as I told you before. But if you have thicker hair, maybe you can use this like twice or thrice every week. Okay my love, so I really hope you like this DIY as much as I love it, to be honest. And if you try it at home, don't forget to send me your before and after because I really want to see your results. And obviously if you have opinions or comments about this video, just don't forget to comment down here on the comment section and let me know like everything you want to tell me. I am gonna reply you for sure, and I'm gonna do more DIY videos like really soon, don't worry. So I will see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!